to the tunnel, guys. We're heading to Cathedral Spires. That's the Needle Eye. Oh, there's the Needle Eye Tunnel.
Yeah.
And they are very, very narrow to get inside. So, oh, be careful. We made it through. Dapat ka mag-drive diri, guys, dili hubog. Kay mo drive ka dili hubog lang sa okay, nilo kayo. Zigzag kaayo, so dapat ang imong miles per hour kay 15 ra jud dapat. Kay danglog baya kay gaulan gabi. Then foggy karon kay early in the morning kayo mi, guys. Oh, bisag sayo ka mo ari, guys, daghan na kayong tao, mga turista, guys. Oh. So we're going to Cathedral Spires, but you said that if we have time, we can go back to that Little Devil's Tower. But that way, though.
That's the way we gotta go.
Is that way out?
That's
Is that the
way out
exit?
today, yeah.
Ah, so we missed the turn going to Cathedral then?
No, we didn't. No turn. It was a parking spot. You weren't watching anything. You just.
Oh, I'm not watching?
No.
Am I supposed to be watching
Well, it'd be
then?
nice to have to read every other sign. Just not this one.
I'm the videographer. You're the driver and the location.
you're
Location. You're the maps.
There's no parking.
Uh-oh.
There's no parking there. There's no parking. There's one down there.
I'll take. Maura na inang parking area, guys. Ngita sa may parking, guys.